And so I'm starting a new project, another McCall's trendy summer dress. I want to do C, but I wanted the length of A and B. And with that comes along with a new project, you have to cut out the pattern pieces if it's not a pattern you have already used. And you can see why after you cut the pieces out, you have to press the pattern, because you know it comes folded in that envelope. A lot of wrinkles, and it's a good idea to press it out, hand press or loam iron press. So I'm looking at my guide sheet, and here's the layout for dress C. So I'm looking at the pieces that I have to cut out, and I'm gonna cut it out all of this and that, and I fold it, kind of hand press some of the wrinkles out, but I'm going to use the warm iron. And this pattern calls for, I believe, 10 pattern pieces. And as you can see, with a long or large pattern piece, cutting out is kind of tedious, and it really is kind of frustrating. So if it's long or a large size pattern piece, I roll and cut, and you can see how large this pattern piece is. Very large. And for one like this, I would definitely put the warm iron too. Little pieces like this, I just hand press, and then I just cut it out. I would just hand crease, or hand press, I mean. There were 9 pattern pieces. So I chose my layout, cut out my pattern pieces. I'm sewing view C with A's length, or shorter length, and the dress. I have stitched up the bodice. It has a V neckline to it, and I've combined the bodice to the skirt. It even has pockets. I have to finish these edges, have not finished those, and you have 2 nice workable pockets there and here. Nice dress. It's sleeveless, and have to attach the arm facings and hem the dress, and this dress would be completed. Let me show you the front side. This is the completed front portion of the dress. Here are your armholes here. These are the facings to be attached to the armholes. There's the V neck, and I've serged and stitched the facing down. So that's how the dress is looking. So I'm serging the waist. Serging is completed, and I'm cleaning up my threads and checking my work. Serge edge of the waist line. Serging the sleeve facing. Here's the sleeve. And I'm going to serge all the way around the edges of the facing. Sleeve edges, facing the edges are done. Now for the hem of the dress, I'm going to serge around the edges, fold it, and hand stitch the hem. Hem edges are completed. Now we're going to hand. So here is the completed dress, the V-neck collar, the sleeves, nice fit. Here is your full view of the dress. Nice pockets. Thank you for watching.